Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pancakes using Bisquick mix. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: Bisquick, milk, and eggs. You will also need a mixing bowl and a whisk for preparation. Remember to preheat your griddle to approximately 375 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's ready for perfect cooking. This initial setup is key for a smooth process. Now let's mix the batter. In your bowl, combine the Bisquick mix, milk, and eggs according to the package directions. Whisk these ingredients together until they are just blended. It's perfectly fine to have a few small lumps. This helps ensure your pancakes stay light and fluffy. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes. With your griddle hot, it's time to cook. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the griddle. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Then, carefully flip each pancake and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are golden brown. Your delicious Bisquick pancakes are ready. Serve them immediately with butter, syrup, fresh fruit, or any of your favorite toppings. If you're making a large batch, you can keep cooked pancakes warm in an oven set to a low temperature. Feel free to get creative by adding blueberries or chocolate chips to the batter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.